Today I'm gonna fill in my raised bed that I have here. So all of my compost and soils that I'm gonna use today. This area in ground is where I'm gonna condition in this soil so I can start growing in ground, but I'm gonna start with my bed first. Have no experience whatsoever in this. Just going off of YouTube videos that I've looked at and did research on. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see what happens. So this is my bed. I already had my cardboard down and I put me some straw down and I collected some leaves, and then I have some leaves that came off of my lemon tree. I'm gonna put in here just a little compost. I don't have much, but a little leaves. So I'll start putting my soil on top of this. First thing I'm gonna put in is my mushroom compost. Might need another bag of this. I think I will. So this is my first layer of mushroom compost. Actually, since this is my first year doing my first garden bed, and I have like 3 bags of this garden soil for flowers and vegetables, I think I'm gonna just use that 1 bag of mushroom compost, and then I'll do the rest in garden soil and see what happens. Gonna go ahead and put a bag of garden soil in here. Mix this up. This is my first year doing a garden bed. I just want to kind of experiment with some stuff. See what works and don't work. But it still looks like I might need more soil. Just gonna go get me another bag of garden soil since I have some home already. Been out working on my garden bed. I've been trying to figure out how to put some netting and a hoop over this metal raised bed, and I decided to get me some PVC pipe, run some lines along the side of it. I got these bendable PVC pipes for hoops, and then I just bought some netting. And I'm gonna go ahead and plant my seedlings, and I think I'm gonna try to start some seeds in here as well.